What's the meaning of a couple? A couple. A couple. A couple. A couple. A couple. The phrase, a couple, typically refers to a small quantity or number of something. Usually two. It can be used to describe a pair of people, objects, or actions. For example, someone might say, I'm going to grab a couple of drinks from the fridge, meaning they are going to take 2 drinks. Similarly, they might say, my husband and I have been together for a couple of years, indicating that they have been together for 2 years. Overall, a couple is a casual way of referring to a small but specific quantity.